Many people use almond oil to help treat common skin conditions, such as dermatitis and eczema. In general, there is good evidence that moisturizers improve eczema. One study showed that a moisturizer containing sweet almond oil reduced the symptoms of moderate or severe hand dermatitis. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY hand and foot lotion. Almond oil ½ teaspoon. It is a natural antidote for skin problems and is a useful remedy in treating skin ailments such as eczema and psoriasis. Sweet almond powder ½ teaspoon. Sweet almond contains fiber, fatty acids, and other plant compounds. These compounds might help lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar. Mix these ingredients and daily apply on your hands and feet for 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with plain water.